Hi, it's Mimi from Living Well Kitchen, and today I am making avocado egg salad. 4 simple and inexpensive ingredients make up this deliciously creamy, filling, and easy avocado egg salad. Hard boil your eggs, let them cool, and then peel and chop. If you want to make this recipe no cook, all you have to do is buy hard boiled eggs at the store. So we're chopping the eggs. There is no fancy way to do this. I am using a butter knife and a regular plate, not even getting a cutting board dirty. Boop, beep, boop, 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 boop. Alrighty, we have a plate of hard-boiled eggs that have been chopped. Just put that on the side. Now we're gonna mash the avocado. We're gonna put it in a bowl. Very easy to do. Add the salt. If you want an extra kick, you can also add some pepper. Now add your lemon juice. You can also use lime juice or even some kind of vinegar. This will help keep your avocado from turning brown immediately. And now we're going to add the eggs into the avocados. I like to use a fork here because it kind of helps mash some of the egg into the avocado mixture and blends it together nicely without overly mashing the eggs. After you stir it all together, taste it and see if you want to add any other seasonings. It's the perfect ratio of avocado to egg, but feel free to modify to your liking. For the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and share.